Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm in Amsterdam. I'm going to be shooting with this, which is the Leica Q2 reporter. I'm mostly going to be shooting in black and white, which will be JPEG straight from camera, but also I will be shooting in RAW, and those photos will be edited with my presets that are linked below. So let's head into Amsterdam and see what we can find. Okay, so I just found this window, which is actually quite nice. I mean, I'm going to be looking for a lot of reflections today, and again, I'm shooting everything in black and white, but if I want to edit it in color, what I'm then doing is I'm shooting in DNG as well. So I'm getting the JPEG, which is black and white straight from camera, and then I'm also getting the DNG. So if I want to edit it in color, then I can, and then alternatively, if I just want the JPEG image, which is black and white, then that is how I'm doing it today. Just waiting for, I think we've got one decent shot so far. Might be good going the other way. See if we can just squeeze in here. Nice little shot of this lady in the window. There's a boat going under this bridge. Might be able to get a frame. Let's have a look. What bike can I use? Maybe like this little frame here. So the one that went through is more of like a, I guess, touristic thing, whereas there's a boat coming through now, which I think will be a little bit nicer. And maybe we can get like a top-down shot as they go under, if I'm not too slow. Oh, that was nice. It might be nice to play with the sign a bit. So I'm going to get the sign on the left hand side of the frame and then get somebody walking in that gap over there. So just tightening up the frame. A cute little green car down here with a guy hanging out of the window. There's a guy hanging out the window with his dog. That was quite a cool shot, but I noticed it too late. I don't know if I got that. I saw the guy and I was like, what's he got in his hand? But he was hanging out, it was his dog, like hanging out the window of the boat, thinking, what the hell is going on? Look at this cute little dog in the window. So cute. That's actually really nice. With the backdrop of the buildings on the other side. the shot that I was trying to get is every time that she took a drag of a cigarette, she was holding her hand down to the left to flick off the ash. And I kind of got it. It's a nice little frame.
The boat?
English, sorry.
The boat? You are?
No, I like the symmetry.
Oh yeah,
of the people.
Yeah, element.
It's very cute.
Yeah, very.
I feel like this could be a nice. If I get that framed nicely. Oh, that's nice. Just gonna wait for someone to walk through that frame there. So that's the frame that I'm looking at. I'm just waiting for the car in the background to move, so I can get the frame a little bit clean. Don't want it too busy. Just a cyclist. It'd be nice if there was a cyclist on the right hand side and a person on the left hand side, which isn't necessarily too much to ask for, being that there's a lot of bikes and stuff around. I'm wondering if I can use, just wondering if I can use this as a frame. Again, I might use these bars because I think if I come down here where my eye line is kind of street level, and then I kind of use these as nice natural frames, I think if I wait long enough I should be able to get somebody, not in each of them because I think that's a bit excessive, but I think I can probably get a few people in the frames at the same time. Now, so for this type of shot, what you want is you want it to be busy because the possibility goes up of the shot happening. For those that were wondering, this is the reality. Standing in a specific spot for a while, just trying to wait for your frame to come to you. A lot of the time, it can take moments. Obviously, it's very busy here now, so it might work.
Can you take me a picture, please?
Of course I can.
Thank
yeah.
you.
Yeah, you stand here. Perfect.
You have to give me money to work here.
There you go, brother.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Work is sitting in it, and he's kind of leaning out of the window, and I reckon I can probably get quite close because he's not really paying attention. Quite a cool shot, and let's see if we can get the settings right before we take this shot. Nice. As you get down to the bottom of the escalator, you have this frosted glass. So from this side, it looks a bit, well, crap. But if you go on the other side, you can see the people coming through, which is actually a very nice photo. So I've got the frame all squared up nicely, and now I'm simply just going to wait for people to go through. And the focus that I want is going to be on the glass itself. So this is, for example, like I've been doing black and white all day, I think this is a shot that is nice as a color photo. So I just want to also say all of the locations that I've been to in today's video are down in the description. It's just a Google link. If you click the link, it'll just show you where I've been, what I've been shooting. I've just come out of the train station, and I think we can still get a few shots around here. I think shooting people coming out of the station or into the station might be quite a nice shot. A nice top-down shot actually. If I go in line with this, because there's this little line here goes all the way down, so having that in the center and then someone walking through the frame is quite nice. Also get it in the landscape. Nice. Now of course I couldn't not get this the famous photo from Amsterdam, which is this beauty of a shot here. Let's get it in portrait as well. Now for those that are interested, I will be coming out, like I said, to do a video with the Sony, and I will do this shot again, but with the Sony. And there's a cool little trick that you can do here, which I'll show you in that video. So subscribe if you want to see that video. But for now, I'm going to continue walking around and slowly head back towards where I'm staying. A lot of the time when I'm walking around streets and I'm at a location that is very well known, like this one, I always look to see if there's a different way of taking that photo. So for example, we have this bike here, and if I kneel down, I can actually use the bike as a bit of foreground to get the same shot, but with a little bit of depth in there as well. Nice shot of this guy walking up the stairs. This might be quite a nice shot. There's a gentleman walking down. I've got a little bit of time to frame up composition. I think that's quite nice. I don't really care too much if he's in focus. It's more about him just being in the frame, really. I just want to say thank you to everyone that has stuck around to the end of this video and watched all of the photos that I've taken today on the Leica Q2 Reporter. Now, obviously I'm using quite an expensive camera, but that doesn't mean that you have to use an expensive camera. These videos are just to showcase you that just go out. It's trying to inspire you to pick up your camera, go out and create something. All of the photos that were non-black and white were edited with my presets. There's a link in the description, so if you want to try and edit like me, there's a bunch of presets on my website. Feel free to go down and have a look. Again, thank you all for watching this long. Maybe consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell so you get notified every time I do upload. Create more, stress less, and I'll see you in the next one. This is the last 20 seconds of the video where you can either go and watch this video here or this one here. Totally your choice, whichever one you like. Personally, I would probably go with this one.